Yeah, I got a Cyansky H3 in front of me here. If you're looking for a beautiful little thrower, this is a pretty awesome little light. This is running a HXP35 high emitter. And one thing you're going to find out, we're going to do the beam shots right away, is turn it on. You have your white, red, and green at the flick of a switch, which is right here. Pretty awesome. It has four modes and two switches, one in the back to turn it on, then your side switch. You got your low mode, medium mode, high mode, and then turbo, which is 1300 lumens, and that'll throw out to 400 meters, which we're going to test that. And what's good about this light is with the 5000 milliamp 21700 battery that charges by a mini USB 18 watt hours out of a 5000 milliamp 21700. It has a very long runtime of over 3+ hours on turbo mode non-stop and up to 60 hours just on the low mode alone. It's pretty awesome. Okay, to start it out with, that tree in front of me here is 62 meters. That'll be the first target. On low. It is bouncing off that tree a little bit. On the lowest mode, it is hitting that tree. We step it up to the next mode up. Hits it quite well. Third mode up. And then the highest mode, it just blinds that tree. What I want to do real quick is switch over to the red and green. Oh, do the green first. Meters. And red. This thing really throws out there for the red. So we're going to go ahead and move this down to a tree at 94 meters. And it's reflecting off that tree very easily. Back to green. Look at that. Pretty awesome, huh? And then the white light. This thing really throws good. I'm telling you that right now. And with that 21700 battery, you get quite a long runtime on it. I'm impressed with this light. Back in there is 140 meters, and it's bouncing off that quite easily. We're going to move farther out, like a lot farther out, about 270 meters back in there. But this hillside, right there, is 240 on upwards to 300, and it hits it good. Let's see if red will do it. It is. It's bouncing off it. Green, same thing. Pretty neat light. We're going to compare this H3 to the ML300 mag light. That's the ML300 mag light focused on high beam. Mag light ML300 and the H3 on high. Mag light ML300 and the H3. This thing rockets. Very impressed with it. Very impressed. We're going to pan over. That farm that's 700 meters away. And it is reflecting down towards there. You can see it reflecting off that building. It is very cold out. Talking -1 degree right now. I'm comparing it up against some car headlights, and we're going to call it quits. This is a 2015 Jeep with the headlights on high beam, and we're going to compare it to this H3, the Jeep headlights, and the H3. Jeep, flashlight. Jeep, and the flashlight. Now I got it on strobe. That's low, the second lowest mode. And there's third mode up. Still drowning it out. Then a fourth mode. And some cats fighting. I just wanted to show you that. And I think I'm going to have to go in. It's cold out. As far as accessories, you get the flashlight, the battery, a mini USB charging cable, lanyard, the extra rubber switch, and then the Cyansky case, which is actually not too bad of a case. Okay, right now, I'm going to take my temp gun and we're going to do a heat test on this thing and leave this on high for a little while. I'm going to shut the camera off and we'll turn it back on, see how hot this gets. Okay, I've had it on for about 10 minutes and I'm not even at 90 degrees at the top, so I don't think you got to worry about this flashlight getting very hot. Alright, next up we're going to do a Lux Meter Test at 2 meters and calculate the throw on this. I'm going into turbo. See what that is. 8,824 lux. 8,824 lux times 2 meters squared, which is 4, divided by the brightness of the moon, which is 0.25 lux. So 141,184. Square root of that. And I got about 375.74 meters of throw. So it's a little short at a 400, but it's very close. As you can see with the shining outside, more than bright enough. The Cyansky H3. Somebody's looking for a very portable light with 3 different modes, green, red, and white, that throws far, decent throw. This would be it. Pretty awesome. So there you go. Check that link out down below for this light, Cyansky H3. Till the next time.